If your RAG system is giving wrong answers, it is probably not your model. It is your chunking. Introducing chunking strategy for production RAG systems. Learn how to design chunking pipelines that actually work in real-world AI systems. Because great retrieval start with three things: tokens, meaning, and a structure. Poor chunking is the number one reason RAG systems fail in production. If your chunks break context, your answers breaks too. Without proper chunking, irrelevant retrieval. With chunking, precise context-aware answers. This course is built for developers and AI engineers working with embedding, vector databases, and LLM pipeline. You will learn with real datasets, real scenario, and fully runnable code. These are the same techniques used in real production system. By the end, you will understand why chunking matters. Implement token-aware and sliding window strategy. Design semantic chunking using embedding, and build structure-aware pipelines for real documents. This is not theory, this is production skill. We take you step by step through the entire pipeline, from basic to token and sentence chunking, sliding window chunking, semantic chunking with embedding, and hybrid chunking strategy. Finally, a production-ready pipeline project. You will work with real tools, Python, sentence transformer, tick token, scikit-learn, and more, and learn how to build systems that are accurate, scalable, and production ready. The kind of systems companies actually need. If you are building AI product, this skill is non-negotiable. This is a live, hands-on mentorship program. 8 to 12 guided sessions over 2 weeks, focused on building real systems, not just concepts. So join now and start building production-ready RAG pipelines. Visit ai.codersart.com/courses or reach out to us via email contact@codersart.com. Limited one-on-one slots available.